According to the National Travel and Tourism Office at the US Department of Commerce, Mexico and Canada were by the most popular destination for US resident travelers in 2018. So today we are talking about top 5 destinations of US travelers abroad. Number 5, France. This beautiful French country located in Western Europe. Paris, its capital, is famed for its fashion houses, classical art and museums, and including the monument like the Eiffel Tower. From last 8 years, France most visited tourist destination in the world because of Eiffel Tower. In 2018, 2.6 million Americans visit France for tourism purpose. It's really huge amount of numbers. Number 4, Dominican Republic. Dominican Republic is a Caribbean nation that shares the island of Hispaniola with Haiti to the west. It's known for its beaches, resort and golfing. Its terrain comprises rainforest, savanna and highlands, including Pico de Oret, Caribbean's tallest mountain, capital city San Diego, as Spanish landmarks like the Gothic Cathedral, Primada de America dating 5 centuries in its Zona Colonial district. Dominican Republic, this country famous in the world for its beautiful beaches and hot girls in bikini. In 2018, 2.7 million Americans visit Dominican Republic for tourism purpose. Number 3, United Kingdom. The United Kingdom, made up of England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland, is an island nation in northwestern Europe. England, birthplace of Shakespeare and Beatles, is home to the capital London, a globally influential center of finance and culture. London is one of the best cities to explore in the world. Also, Scotland is a country that is part of the United Kingdom. Scotland is one of the most green countries in the world. According to reports and data in 2018, 3.8 million Americans visit United Kingdom. Number 2, Canada. Canada shares border with America. Canada is a country in the northern part of North America. Its 10 provinces and 3 territories extend from the Atlantic to the Pacific and northward into the Arctic Ocean. In 2018, 40.3 million Americans visit Canada to tourism purpose. Number 1, Mexico. Mexico shares the border with United States. Mexico, officially the United Mexican States, is a country in the southern portion of North America. It is bordered to the north by the United States, to the south and west by the Pacific Ocean, to the southeast by Guatemala, Belize and the Caribbean Sea, and to the east by the Gulf of Mexico. In 2018, 35.1 million Americans visit Mexico. That's really huge amount of numbers. Guys, please hit the like button and share this video with all of your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.